flathead screwdriver, a T12 Torx driver, and a pin like this that you can go through these holes with. First thing you want to do is remove your hard drive. This one I already took off, so I'll skip to the next step. Next, you want to remove your faceplate from the bottom. You want to go ahead and flip it over. Now you want to take your pin and you want to push in here, here, and here on the ends to remove these clips. You want to do the same on the other side. Go ahead and flip it over. Now you want to take your 4 fingers, put them underneath the front, and pull up real quick. Then you get a clip here in the middle. And a clip on the end. Now you're just left with your 2 case halves. Right here you have your Microsoft seal. You can take these off with a hair dryer. I've seen it done. But the fact is, if you're going to do any kind of case mod or anything on the inside of this, and you send it back to Microsoft, they're going to know that you opened it. So you might as well just go ahead and cut it. After that, you want to remove these 4 clips. There's one here, 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 and here. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and flip it over to the back. Now for the back, like what I like to do is I like to take my hand like this. Take my hand like this and actually put my thumb on the other side and pry up on it. Take the small flathead screwdriver. Push in like that. And do the same on the other side. Now you can go ahead and remove the bottom case. Now you want to take your screwdriver and just go underneath your eject button and pry it up. Take that off. Now you want to take your T12 Torx driver and you want to remove this screw here, 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 and here. I've already taken these ones out because I've already opened this a couple times. Then you can just hold the top and go ahead and flip it over and pull your top off. Now you have full access to your Xbox 360 to do any modification you want to do. For more how-to videos, go to xboxmodshop.com. Thanks a lot.